Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Daily English Stories for Beginners. I am Lisa.
And I am Mike. We are so happy you are here today. How are you, Lisa?
I am wonderful, Mike. I am feeling very energetic today because we have a great topic.
Oh, I love great topics. Is it about food?
Well, a little bit. Today, we are talking about daily English conversations through a weekend adventure.
That sounds perfect. Many of our friends ask us, how do I talk about my day? Or what do I say about my weekend?
Exactly. This episode is for everyone at the A1 to B1 level. We want to help you feel confident.
Yes, learning English should be cozy and fun. It is like sitting with friends and drinking tea.
I agree. Today, Mike and I will tell you about our busy Saturday. We went to many places.
We did. We went to a coffee shop, a market, and a park. It was a long day.
It was, and we want you to listen carefully. We will use simple words, but also some special words to help you grow.
So, find a comfortable chair or maybe start your walk, and let's begin our weekend story.
So, Mike, let's start at the beginning. Saturday morning. What was the first thing we did?
Oh, I remember. I was so hungry. We went to that new coffee shop on Bridge Street.
Oh, yes, the Golden Bean. I loved the name.
Me too. But when we arrived, it was so crowded.
Wait, Mike, crowded. What does that mean for our listeners?
Good question. Crowded means there are many, many people in one place. There was no space to sit.
Oh, I see. It was very busy.
Exactly. It was very busy. There were people everywhere.
But the atmosphere was very nice, wasn't it?
Yes, the atmosphere, that is a big word. It means the feeling of the room. It felt warm and happy.
I agree. I loved the smell of the fresh coffee. It was amazing.
You always love the smell of coffee, Lisa.
It's true. So when we went to the counter, what did you order?
I ordered a large latte and a chocolate croissant. I love chocolate.
You really do. I ordered a green tea and a blueberry muffin.
The man behind the counter was very friendly. He said, "Good morning. How can I help you today?"
Yes, he was very polite. That is important in a daily conversation.
It is. I said, "I would like a latte, please." Always remember to say, please.
That is a great tip, Mike. Would like is a very polite way to ask for something.
Exactly. After we got our drinks, we finally found a small table near the window.
It was perfect for people watching.
Oh, people watching. That is a fun activity. It means watching people walk by and imagining their stories.
Yes, it is very relaxing. We sat there for an hour, just talking.
It was a great start to our adventure. But then we had to go to the farmer's market.
Oh, I was so excited for the market. I love buying fresh vegetables.
Me too. The market is only open on Saturdays, so we had to hurry.
When we got there, I saw so many colors: red tomatoes, green apples, and orange carrots.
And the noise. The sellers were shouting, "Fresh fruit! Get your fresh fruit here!"
It was very loud, but very fun. Mike, you found a great bargain there, right?
Oh yes, a bargain. That means I bought something for a very good low price.
What did you buy? I forgot.
I bought 5 kilograms of potatoes for only $3.
Wow, that is a great bargain.
I know, I was very proud of myself. The farmer was very kind.
He was. He told us that all the food was local.
Local? Does that mean it comes from a place far away?
No, Mike, it is the opposite. Local means it is from this area. It is grown near our city.
Ah, I understand. Local food is usually very fresh.
Exactly. I bought some honey from a local bee farmer. It tastes much better than the honey in the supermarket.
I believe you. But Lisa, carrying 5 kilograms of potatoes was not easy.
I'm sorry, Mike. You are very strong.
Thank you. I felt like a hero. But after the market, I needed to rest.
So we decided to go to the park. The city park is very big.
Yes, it is. And it was so peaceful there.
Peaceful. That is such a lovely word. It means quiet and calm. No loud cars, no shouting.
Exactly. We found a big tree and sat under it. The scenery was beautiful.
Scenery is a word we use for the view, right? Like the trees, the grass, and the flowers.
Yes, the scenery in the park was very green. There were many children playing with their dogs.
I saw a very small dog wearing a sweater. It was so cute.
I remember that dog. It looked like a little tiger.
It did. Everyone in the park looked very happy. It felt like a real community.
A community. That means a group of people who live in the same place and care about each other.
Yes, Mike, you explained it perfectly. In the park, neighbors were talking and children were playing together.
It was very nice. I almost fell asleep under that tree.
I know, you were snoring a little bit, Mike.
Oh no, really? I'm so embarrassed.
Don't be. It was a long morning. But after our rest, we had one more plan.
Oh, the cooking. Our great cooking experiment.
Yes, we decided to make dinner together using the things we bought at the market.
We wanted to try a new recipe.
Right. A recipe is a set of instructions that tells you how to cook something.
My mother gave me a recipe for a special Italian pasta sauce.
It sounded delicious, but first we had to check our ingredients.
Ingredients are the different foods we need for the recipe, right?
Exactly. We had the local tomatoes, the onions, the garlic, and your 5 kilograms of potatoes.
We didn't use all the potatoes, thank goodness.
No, we only used 2. But Mike, you had a little problem in the kitchen.
Yes, I did. I couldn't find the big pot. I looked everywhere.
He was looking in the fridge for the pot. Can you believe it?
I was confused. I thought maybe we put it there, but it was in the cupboard under the sink.
Finally, we started cooking. The smell of the garlic and onions was wonderful.
It was delicious. Wait, can I say the smell is delicious?
Usually we say food tastes delicious, but smells delicious is also very common in daily English.
Good to know. We cooked for about 40 minutes.
And then we sat down to eat. The pasta was perfect.
It was the best meal of the week because we used fresh local ingredients.
And we made it together. That is the best part.
After dinner, I was exhausted.
Oh, exhausted. That is a very useful word for our listeners. It means more than just tired. It means very, very tired.
Yes, my legs were tired from walking and my brain was tired from cooking.
But it was a good kind of tired, a happy tired.
Exactly. It was a successful Saturday adventure.
We learned so many things. We talked to the coffee shop worker, the farmer, and each other.
That is what daily English is about. It is not about being perfect. It's about sharing your life.
I agree, even when you make a mistake, like looking for a pot in the fridge.
Hey, that was a funny mistake. Mistakes make the story better.
They really do. So that was our Saturday, from coffee to pasta.
It was a long day, but I would do it again next weekend.
Me too. Maybe next time we can go to the beach.
Ooh, a beach adventure. I need to buy a swimsuit first.
We can find a bargain at the mall for that.
Good idea, Lisa. You are always so helpful.
Thank you, Mike, and thank you for being such a good friend during our busy day. Wow, that was a lot of talking. Now, let's take a moment to think about the words we used today.
Yes, this is the word tour. We want to make sure you remember these helpful words for your own daily conversations.
Our first word was crowded. Do you remember, Mike?
Of course, the coffee shop was crowded. It had too many people. For example, the bus is very crowded in the morning.
Great example. Next was atmosphere. It's the feeling of a place. I love the warm atmosphere of this library.
I like that. Then we had bargain, my favorite word. I found a bargain at the store. These shoes were only $10.
You love a good price, Mike.
I do. What about local?
Local means from nearby. We should buy local food to help the farmers in our city.
Very important. And when we went to the park, it was peaceful.
Yes, it is so peaceful in the garden today. It means quiet and calm.
We also talked about scenery, that is, the view. The scenery from the top of the mountain is beautiful.
Perfect. And in the kitchen, we used a recipe.
Right. I am following a recipe to make a chocolate cake. I love cake.
Everyone loves cake, Mike. And the things inside the cake are the ingredients.
Do we have all the ingredients for the soup? Eggs, milk, and flour are common ingredients.
Exactly. Finally, we use the word exhausted.
After the long run, I was exhausted. It means very, very tired.
We hope these words help you try to use one of them today when you speak English.
Even if you just say it to yourself in the mirror, it helps.
We are almost at the end of our episode. We hope you enjoyed our weekend story.
We certainly enjoyed telling it. Now we have a homework question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend?
Did you find a bargain? Did you go to a crowded place? Or was it peaceful?
Please write your answer in simple English. We love reading your stories.
And if you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel, Daily English Stories for Beginners.
It helps us make more videos for you. Remember, every day you listen, you get better.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just keep going.
Exactly. Stay curious and keep practicing.
You are doing a great job. We are proud of you.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.